Hey there, awesome people. How are you guys doing? So this is here Vibro from Tech Week, and today in this video, I'll teach you how to recover your deleted or lost data from Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. Well, if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as 98%, holy cow, of you guys aren't subscribed. So if you want to support a small creator like me, then a sub to the channel would definitely make my day. So the software that we'll be talking about today to recover our data is nothing but iBuySoft Data Recovery. Well, basically, iBuySoft Data Recovery is a free data recovery software that can recover deleted or lost files from a PC, external hard drives, USB drives, as well as SSDs in just 3 steps. Whew, that is quick. So the highlights of this great tool is its high recovery rate, its security, and its reliability. Along with that, iBuySoft Data Recovery is also trusted by some of the biggest companies in the world. Yeah, you can just take a look at them. They're really big. So if you're interested in checking out the amazing utility, then check the video description for the download link. And a big thanks goes to iBoysoft for sponsoring this video and helping me to recover my lost data. Really, it just means a lot. After downloading and installing iBoysoft Data Recovery, you'll be greeted with this screen after opening it. First is Data Recovery. Second is Raw Data Recovery. And the last, we have BitLocker Recovery. So in Data Recovery, you can recover data from emptied recycle bin or even from formatted hard drives or lost partitions or anything as such. In Raw Drive Recovery, you can change your raw drive to NTFS or FAT32 without even data loss, which is amazing. And in BitLocker Recovery, you can recover data from a BitLocker encrypted partition, which I don't think I have ever seen before. But for me, I will select Data Recovery as I want to recover my lost data from my USB drive. Now select the drive or the partition where you've lost your data. You can also enable Deep Scan if you want to find some more files, but trust me, it will take more time. And this mode is only recommended if the normal mode wasn't able to find your lost data. Well, after selecting your drive, just click on Next. Now, iBoysoft Data Recovery will scan the whole drive for all your lost data and will take some time, so I would suggest you to grab your cup of coffee and enjoy it slowly.
A few moments later.
Alright, so after finishing up my coffee, whoa, what a timing, we have finished the scanning process. Now, we can see volume 1. So, let's expand it. Next, expand raw files and click on MP4 multimedia file. Well, these are the 4 files that were stored in the USB drive, and I don't know why or how these files got disappeared from my drive. But thanks to iBoysoft Data Recovery that I was able to get them. Really, just means the world. Now select all the files and click on Recover button. Select the location where you want to store these files and just click on OK. Now just wait for this process to complete. Okay, now let's check our recovered files, whether they're working fine or it's just a gimmick. Now as you can see, my video is playing with no issues and all my files are recovered successfully. Well, in this way you can recover your deleted or lost data from Windows 11 like the way I showed you by using this great tool. Now if this video was helpful, then please like this video, as YouTube will push this video to other amazing people like you. Yeah, you, I'm talking to you. But before winding up, if you want to upgrade your webcam for free, then check this video to your left. Or if you want to create a multi-ISO bootable flash drive, then watch this video to your right. This is Vibro, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.